This machine is just a game changer for us.
It would take me 25 minutes to cook 1 ton. I'm cooking 1 ton in 8 minutes.
It's the best mix we ever had.
This is our Bagela machine, 10 ton. We purchased it last year, and this machine is just a game changer for us. Absolute game changer when it comes to when the plants are closed and we're trying to put patch material down on the roadways in the wintertime. We're able to fire this thing up and actually produce a lot of product.
We had 2 recyclers here. But when we moved in the Bagela, it gets our patchers out much quicker.
Okay.
So we're getting 10 tons an hour. We're getting moved out of here. So we won't see everybody just sitting here chatting. We're actually working and moving faster out of here.
It's the best mix we ever had. The other mixes, it'll never be the same each time. It'll be sometimes too soupy or too hard, too clumpy, big rocks in it, and it's just not a good mix.
Once he drops it in that hopper, I lift it up and I put in 2 ton in the drum of that machine. That machine is different than other reclaimers we've used before. They had the heat source, the burner, right on the material. This Bagela, it's more like an oven. It heats up the drum, and the drum breaks down the asphalt. That way you're not burning the oils out of the asphalt.